Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have a nickname for your Instagram chat. So let's see how to do this. First, go to the home page and then click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then once you're inside the Instagram messenger, simply go to that particular chat that you want to rename. So for example, I'll select this chat right here. Then you need to click on their profile like this, and then you can see this option which says nicknames. So simply click on the nicknames option, and here you can see that you can create nicknames for you and your friends. Every chat can have different nickname. Anyone in the chat can see nicknames. People who you follow or give permissions can edit your nickname. So simply click on this OK button, and then you can click on that particular account. So for example, here you can see that nicknames are only displayed in this chat. So simply choose the recipient, and then you may choose to edit the nickname. So for example, I'll choose the nickname, for example, let's say friend. Then once you're done, simply click on this done button right here, and here you can see that they have been renamed to friend. If we go back to the chat and if we try to refresh this, you can see that now instead of their name, it is showing me friend. So that's how it works. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.